Apple has finally updated the MacBook Air, what they've called the most popular Mac. We're going to go hands-on. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and it was a busy day. We saw new iPads, a new Mac Mini, and of course, the finally updated MacBook Air. This ultra-portable machine is going to sure make a lot of people happy. So, before you can get your hands on one, we put it to the test. We've spent a little bit of time with all three finishes: silver, space gray, and of course gold. The new updated body is smaller than before, getting rid of those aluminum bezels around the display and adding new features like a new generation keyboard and of course Touch ID. The speakers are much improved and we have an even larger trackpad built in. There's now Thunderbolt 3 ports. There are two of them there on the left hand side with a headphone port over on the right. While the internals are pretty beefed up, we're still lacking when it comes to graphical capabilities. Luckily, because of Thunderbolt 3, you can still use external GPUs like the Blackmagic models that Apple sells. It is no wonder this machine is so popular. It fits right there in between the low-cost, low-power 12-inch MacBook and the more powerful and more capable MacBook Pros. It also has a completely fanless design, and we're going to be sure to put this and everything else Apple announced to the test. It'll be really interesting to see how this thing performs compared to the Retina MacBook and the entry-level MacBook Pros. Make sure you stay tuned and are subscribed to catch up on all those videos and check out all of our other hands-on content from Apple's big fall event.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media and we'll see you in the next video.